Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The time has come that we Goans stand up for something for our NRI Goan brothers and sisters working hard away from our beautiful motherland for the betterment of their families. I have decided to take a step towards a life-changing movement for Goans, thus hosting the NRI Global Goans Convention to be held in the state of Qatar. The theme of this convention is only one-point agenda of demanding dual nationality for Goans with Portuguese passport. This is the need of the hour for protecting and safeguarding our future generations' right. The date of this convention will be announced in due course of time. Thus, I appeal all my fellow Goans globally and Goans back at home to be a part of this movement